Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Trevino, and today in Social Studies, we're going to talk about our local cultural heritage, which we've already been talking about. And this week, we're going to talk about works of art. More specifically, we're going to talk about murals. A mural is just a large picture that is painted into a large space, like a wall or a ceiling. I'm going to be giving you examples of some murals that we can find here in Corpus. Here's the first one. Downtown Corpus Christi is becoming full of artwork. Murals have been painted on the sides of many buildings. The Arts District is becoming brighter because of volunteer groups that are clearing the streets and sidewalks by repainting curbs, trash cans, electrical boxes, and crosswalk markers. The area holds monthly art walks and weekly farmers markets at the Art Center of Corpus Christi. Chris Lane, who is a local tattoo artist, painted a colorful rooster on top of a guitar amplifier at the House of Rock. He used an amplifier because there's live music at the House of Rock, and the rooster is due to the large number of farms around the area. Here's another example. This can be seen on the Corpus Christi Caller-Times building. They are the ones that publish our newspaper. The building used to be a solid beige color, but in 2015, they held a contest for ideas of what to paint on the side of the building. Sandra Gonzalez won, and she painted what she calls endless sunset, the colors of our city. You can see that the items that she placed in her mural are items that Corpus Christi is known for. You can see bright colors, fish, flowers, starfish, turtles, birds, all things that you find here in Corpus Christi. So they are celebrating our cultural heritage because they're using pictures that we celebrate and that we have here in Corpus. This is called Dia de los Muertos, and it was painted by Ricardo Ruiz, Gerald Lopez, Day Wheeler, and Jimmy Peña. As you know, the Dia de los Muertos is a big festival here in Corpus Christi, so they decided to paint a mural honoring that celebration. This mural is divided into two parts. We have daytime activities on the left-hand side. And here you see things that we might do during the daytime. We might go out and ride a bike. We could go out and do horseback riding. On the right side, you see activities that take place at night. So you might go and listen to a band at night. You might go out and go fishing at night. Maybe you attend a party at night. Of course, most of these look like skeletons, because they're celebrating Dia de los Muertos, when a lot of people will paint their face as a way of remembering and honoring those in our families that have passed. This mural, as you can see, is called A Breath of Fresh Air. It was painted by Jeremy Flores on the Braswell Office Systems building in 2017. The baby turtle in the picture is making its way to the Gulf, and it honors our Padre Island National Seashore when the tiny sea turtles are released. This is La Loteria, the mural. This is on the back of the K-Space Contemporary building, and it was painted in 2015 with 50 artists working together to create this mural. Loteria is similar to bingo, and this mural is one of the largest public works of art in our city. And this last one is called Chicano Pop by Mayra Zamora. This mural, you'll notice that it says ever changing. It changes every year, in order to fill the 7 arched spaces at the Art Center of Corpus Christi. Each September during the Arts Alive Festival, the spaces are designed right in front of those that are attending the festival. Guests can interact with the artists as the artists work on their mural. As you can see, all of the murals that we've seen today are somehow tied to where we live and the different cultures of the people who live here. Your assignment is going to be to create a mural like the one shown on the Caller Times building and to write a sentence explaining what your mural is about. This is the mural on the Caller Times building. Yours does not have to look like this, but we want you to create a mural. You're just going to draw it on paper. You can be as creative and as colorful as you would like to be. And you can combine different things all into one, or such as here, she has fish, she has flowers, she has starfish, she has birds. So think about something that you think about. When you're thinking about Corpus Christi, what picture pops into your mind? Paint that up for us and explain what you've done in a sentence. Have fun and be as creative as you can be.